Hi! Welcome back mga katrip and mga laagan. So, we have a brand new video. And for today's video, ipapasyal ko kayo dun sa Simcoe Panorama. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. But before we proceed, let's do the intro. So ayun na nga, ipapasyal ko kayo dun sa Simcoe Panorama. Well, basically it's just a light display and it happens during Christmas season doon sa park ng Simcoe. But didiretso tayo doon straight because I just wanna show you how it looks like during the day. So mamaya babalik tayo. Mapapakita ko na yung mga light display. Majority of this video is just montage sa area. So wala na akong maisip. Ang dugyot-dugyot na itsura ko. So let's go. So ayan na nga, nandito na tayo sa location ng Simcoe Panorama. Tapos papakita ko lang sa inyo kung how it looks like during the day. So ito yung pinaka park. There are two parks here, Wellington Park and I forgot the exact name of this park na kinakatayuan ko. Pero ito yung kilala kasi dyan may creek tsaka yung lighthouse doon. Ayan yung kabuuan ng park. Mamaya papailawan nila yan. So, yun. Let's wait for the dark. So, ayan na nga mga katrip. Medyo madilim na. So, medyo wala rin masyado akong ilaw. Unfortunately, hindi pala tayo pwedeng bumaba dun sa park. So, I've checked online. So, it's just a drive-through. Pero, since nagawa ko na to, so anyways, let's go. Makikita rin naman natin yung view ng mga lights. So, let's go. Ayan na nga, medyo madilim. So, nung dumaan ako dun sa drive-thru, napansin kong there are a lot of people walking through the park. So, naisip ako subukan ko nga. So, naghanap ako agad ng parking spot. So, ngayon maglalakad tayo papunta dun. So, let's try. So, yun na nga yung Simcoe Panorama light display. Well, unfortunately, it wasn't that spectacular compared before. It's because supposedly there are a lot of different activities there that should happen, but it wasn't permitted due to the COVID thing that we are facing right now. But okay din naman kasi, you know, relaxing sa eyes, seeing those wonderful colored lights. So, nakaka-relax pag dumaan ka doon at nakita mo yun. Well, anyways, thank you for watching till the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you!